Over the years, I've made a handful of movies, going from short films to almost feature films. I've loved every bit of it, and I want to get back into it. So let's go and figure... Oh, almost. I didn't go to film school. I would have loved to, but I just wasn't in the position to do that. I've done this all with no budget, and all with learning as I went along. Having people around you that are into movies is always helpful, or even having friends that are quite confident in front of the camera is a massive help.
Oh my God, are you okay?
This is not doing you.
So why should you make a film? Well, why not? You've got literally everything you need in your pocket, and if you've got a little bit of patience, you can easily learn some form of editing software. It's not rocket science, it's just films. If you've got an idea, get a group of friends together, go out and make what you can. My last film I made it using my phone, and it came out really well. So your phone can get you some amazing footage. So the last film I made, I used my mobile phone to do this. I got a group of friends together, had a quirky little idea that we went out to into the woods and we made. I'd say the hardest thing about filmmaking, all of it. I mean, if it was easy, everyone would do it. But it's not impossible. It is literally a camera and some people and a story. If you can get those three working together, you've made a movie. So making films is difficult and easy at the same time. It's as hard as you want to make it, and it's as easy as you can make it. Am I the greatest film director? Far from it. I do it because I can do it. Am I good at it? No and yes. The difference between me and you is I actually went out and made a film, or made several films, and you just, you know, sit there typing on your computer saying that this is the worst film I've ever seen. If you can do better, by all means, get your phone, get some friends together, come up with an idea and see what you can do. I love making films, and I always have done. From the age of, from 12, I wanted to be a filmmaker, and that was my passion, and it always has been. I love watching movies, I love reading about movies, I love reviewing movies. My passion really is, sitting down, writing a film, going out with my friends, having a giggle, making my little crazy ideas in my head come to life.
Marshall, stop looking at porn on the net.
I'm not. I'm a superhero, damn it, Batman.
So you call yourself a vigilante?
Are you f***ing stupid, woman? Space. Well, not space, man. That is stupid. Man.
Oi, mate. Is that it? Come on in.
Yeah, blood. What are you saying, man? You're on my patch and that, innit? What are you doing, boy?
Press run. Press run.
Go into a gunfight with a hatchet man. They say the Irish are stupid.
The end is coming. Hello, miss.
I know, right? I don't know what else to do.
Lady! Lady! What do you think you're doing?
My background in films is I didn't go to film school. I'm self-taught. I did everything the hard way rather than learn one good thing. No, so rather than learn. English is my native language. You'd think I'd be able to speak it. Rather than learn one thing in filmmaking, I decided to learn everything. So from writing scripts, doing storyboards, casting the film, coming up with the ideas for the film, making the props, finding the locations, being the cameraman, being a sound man, being a director, and even the T-boy. Would I recommend you doing it that way? No. I think you're always best just going into filmmaking and, you know, just mastering one skill rather than all of them. But would my ideas and my films have been made if I did it that way? Then no, they wouldn't have done. That would have chewed me up inside. I would have been one of them old men in years to come, sitting there telling some young kid that I had a great idea for a film and I wish I'd done it.
What large 12?
Kid,
Are you in need of
thank
any
you, but I don't need any
assistance
help.
today? Al.
Well, I put myself in a position where I had a great idea for a film, or hold on, maybe not a great idea for a film. I had an idea for a film, and I went out and made it. And that's the difference between saying you've got a good idea for a film and actually going out and making the film. Before the pandemic, I'd made a handful of films, and I wanted to, you know, carry on with that. The pandemic happened, and it put a bit of a stop to my filmmaking side of things. I made a couple of little films on my own during the pandemic, and they were right. You know, you're limited what you can do on your own. Again. Look at me. Look, I get what you're saying, and I know you do look a bit like me. Exactly the same. You play like me. Exactly the same. You're playing with yourself. My passion's filmmaking. I love filmmaking. Loads of my friends love the fact that I make films and want to help me make these films. So now's as good a time as any. Good a time as any? Is that a proper word? Probably not. My English is terrible. Now's a great time to jump back into filmmaking. So I thought to myself, why not document it and take you guys along with me and see if we can figure this out. It's not rocket science, it's just filmmaking. It shouldn't be that difficult, but it will be, and we'll have some fun on the way. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I always say, it's not rocket science, it's just movie making. So let's go and figure it out.